OnePlus has now officially announced the OnePlus Watch 2 today at the Mobile World Congress Conference in Barcelona. OnePlus Watch 2 will feature a stainless steel chassis and sapphire crystal watch face. It'll be available in two colors, dubbed black steel and radiant steel. The new watch will have up to 100 hours of battery life, or up to 48 hours with heavy usage, with a larger 500mAh battery and support for 10W charging. OnePlus Watch 2 has a premium design and useful buttons, housing the two hardware buttons. The back shows off what appears to be a pin charging system and large health sensor. OnePlus Watch 2 could feature a 1.43-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 406 x 466 pixels. The panel refreshes at a constant 60 Hz and has a claimed high brightness mode of 1000 nits. OnePlus also confirms using a sapphire crystal to protect the circular display. The smartwatch using Qualcomm Snapdragon W5 chipset and an RTOS, which runs on the best 2700 with support for 2GB of ROM and 32GB storage. The OnePlus Watch 2 is to run on Google's Wear OS 4. The combination of RTOS and 2700 is running most of the show in the background, including low-level activities and things like connectivity, sleep, and heart rate tracking and fitness tracking. Has dual-frequency GPS for more precise location tracking, a feature that's exclusive to the Ultra model in Apple's lineup. The Indian version of the OnePlus Watch 2 will start at Rs 24,999, while the US version will start at $299, and the UK and EU versions will start at $299 and $329 respectively. The OnePlus Watch 2 goes on pre-order today. Open sales will start on March 4. Let me know in the comments below your thought. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.